Hi, it's Dr. Ried with Ried Physical Therapy. I'm very excited about the class coming up on Saturday. Head, neck, and face pain is a passion of mine. I've actually suffered with headaches, neck pain, and jaw pain myself in the past. I had every test, MRI, and pain med that you can think of, and ended up finding the answer somewhere else, and we'll talk about that in the class. I'm definitely done a lot of education in this area. I'm certified in head, neck, and face pain. Some of the topics that we're going to discuss in the class, we're going to talk about MRIs and what you can actually see on MRIs and how accurate they are. So, we're going to also talk about some of the different causes of head, neck, and face pain. And then we're also going to talk about some of the solutions for those issues. We're also going to talk about a really commonly overlooked issue that very few places will look at as far as head, neck, and face pain. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about a number of other subjects. You'll find on this email actually an attachment of some of the topics we're going to talk about in the class. So you can actually print it off if you like. There's a section for notes, and then also a section where you can write questions. So you can print that off and write some questions down for yourself, or write them on a sheet of paper. You don't have to download it and print it off. We'll actually have a copy for you in class. We're going to do a live demonstration and Q&A session at the end, so that's why those questions will come in handy. And then we actually just added a special gift for the attendance this week, so I'm excited. We'll have a gift for you guys, something to help you solve your head, neck, and face pain. So we'll see you then. Have a great day.